I wanna demonstrate you how to separate the foreground and background of the image and how to add the parallax effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! Before to start, this effect works very good for the image duration between 4 and 10 seconds. So let's extend a little bit the image. First of all, go to the effects control and increase the scale by 340. Of course guys, it depends also from the size of the picture that you have already preset. So more or less, increase it by 20%. It will be required for the background to recede. In my case, if I leave by 240, the background will have nowhere to go. And as the result, we will have the black frame. Following, duplicate your image, just hold the Alt and dragging it above. Select your duplicated image, go to Effects Control and by the opacity, just choose the pen tool. By clicking around, start to select the area where you wanna have the effect. Put the timeline slider at the beginning of the image, go to Effects Control and by the scale, click on the stopwatch icon. Next, move the timeline slider to the end of the video and change the value to 380. Following, highlight the original version of the image, in this case this is the first one. Go to Effects Control. The first stopwatch icon will appear. Move your timeline slider to the end of the video and change the value to 260. So guys, let's see the first result. Sometimes it can happen that you have this outline from the mask. So again, Effects Control, Mask, and we are going to increase the feather. In my case, I'm increasing the value to 32, but you can also play with it. And of course, don't forget to change the value of expansion. Perfect, everything is ready. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.